Well, this is the creme de la creme, our one-to-one business coaching. It's where I started this whole thing, actually, working with business owners, SMEs. That's where the whole of Action Coach started. And I love working directly with business owners, and I know most of our coaches do too. A lot of our clients say this is where they get the highest level of results because it's where they get the individual attention of a coach. It's where every week or every 2 weeks a coach comes and visits with them, or they come visit with the coach, or sometimes it's done virtually, and we work with you direct on the plan. So every 90 days, we create an action plan with you. You come into the group program there, our 90-day planning process. And then over the next 12 weeks, we enact that plan. We go over your numbers each week. We go over your playbook every week, what it is you're doing. But the goal is to install the ABOS system, the Action Coach Business Operating System. Now, it's a 6-step system as we've gone over from mastery and then marketing, and we work our way up through systems and team to scale and freedom. But installing the Action Business Operating System is essentially what we're doing so that it builds freedom for you as a business owner. Building that freedom is really the result of what the one-to-one coaching is for. Now, you may start with us on Book Club or Profit Club, and you may work your way through to one-to-one coaching. Doesn't matter where you start. What matters is the results you get in your business. Our goal is to help you achieve the dreams and goals of what business is for you. Now, maybe that's to build a business that runs without you, or maybe it's to build a business where you can go in 1 or 2 days a week and do the parts of the business that you love and let the rest of it be run by the team. Maybe it's to have a business where you do get to work most of the days of the week and then take a few weeks off every year when your family wants to go on vacation. Whatever the dream is, that's what we're here to do. But that working with you one at a time, every week or every 2 weeks, and coaching you directly to get the results that you're after, to help you, to be there, to guide you, to answer your questions, but more importantly, to ask you the questions, to get you thinking about the right areas of your business, but also to hold you accountable. It wouldn't be a good coach if we didn't make sure you were doing the learning, make sure you were focused on the results, and make sure that you were actually doing the work you needed to do. Now, one-on-one coaching may also include training. It may mean that we're training some of your salespeople or training your managers as well. It may mean we're doing other aspects of it around the business, or that some of our team are also working with some of your team. We've been doing one-on-one coaching with some companies where we're also doing executive coaching with other team members in the organization. It doesn't matter at what level we start. What matters is your results. So reach out, get in touch with us. We'd love to help you grow the business, whether it's one-on-one coaching or any one of our other programs. We'd love to see you growing just the same way you're seeing other people growing here in the 30 days of these emails. I love watching people grow their business. I'd love you to be one of our case studies next.